can't believe this day is here, seriously. It's crazy, isn't it? The last 9 months have flown by, but actually since September 15th, 2017, it's felt like a blur. We've both changed, we've both gotten so comfortable, too comfortable sometimes. Now we've officially got a lifetime to go. I'm scared, nervous, excited, and everything in between. But I know that I'm going to love doing life with you in the midst of all the ups and downs we may face together. I have no doubts when it comes to you. You are my absolute best friend and love of my life, and I'm so thankful it was God's plan for us to find each other. I'm thankful and blessed that I'm going to have a mature husband so devoted to God. I'm thankful that we can openly talk about God and pray together, and not only have a relationship together, but a relationship with God. I'm just so thankful. Can't wait to see you. I love you, Kristen.
I have a question. It might seem strange. How are your lungs? Are they in pain? 'Cause mine are aching. Think I know why. I kinda like it though. You wanna try? Oh, would you be so kind as to fall in love with me? You see, I'm trying. I know you know that I like you, but that's not enough. So if you will, please fall in love. I think it's only fair. There's gotta be some butterflies somewhere I wanna share. 'Cause I like you, but that's not enough. So if you will, please fall in love.
I, Jason Trevor Sherman, declare here before the Lord and these witnesses that I take as my lawful wife, Kristen Buste, here present.
I, Kristen Alyssa Buste, declare here before the Lord and these witnesses that I take as my lawful husband, Jason Sherman, here present.
Well, I have the privilege, the honor, of presenting for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Sherman.
Let's swap chests today. That might help you decide. Oh, would you be so kind as to fall in love with me? You see, I'm trying. I know you know that I like you, but that's not enough. So if you will, please fall in love. I think it's only fair. There's gotta be some butterflies somewhere I wanna share. 'Cause I like you. So if you will, please fall in love with me.
Was the potential suitor?
You'd be so kind as to fall in love with me. You see, I'm trying. I know you know that I like you. That's not enough. So if you will, please fall.